Hello, civic engagement classmates. My name is Kirsten Ryer. I'm glad I can finally join you this week. During the first week of school, I had unexpected obstacles that needed to be taken care of. Work being one of them, I had arranged to have them work around my school schedule, and things didn't go as planned. However, I am here now, and I look forward to meeting you and perhaps talking to some of you on the phone. Our assignment for the first week was our definition of what civic engagement means to us. Well, without looking it up in the dictionary, and I still have it, but it seems kind of self-explanatory to me. Civic meaning civil, civilization, engagement, acting within your community, and I have read all your input on that as well. And I agree with working within your community to address an issue to better your situation or the situation of the community. But I also thought more on the word civic and civilization and things like that. Although we all initially had a positive perspective on the definition, I thought about things that have happened in history as well, things that may have not been so positive initially, but had a positive outcome. Civil rights movement, Martin Luther King, and things like that. Also, initially, I thought that civic engagement, and from some of the answers that I've read and listened to, was that it was something local. However, I believe that it's something that can happen nationwide or even worldwide. So I look forward to taking this class. It sounds very exciting and very informative. Those of you who made your flawless videos, I commend you. On my 150,000th take, I decided I was just gonna go for it. This is what you got. I look forward to talking to some of you. Again, I have some challenges. Physically, I didn't mention this in the beginning. I was in a car accident in 2010, in the latter half of the year, and I have some physical disabilities, which causes lots of fatigue. So juggling this work and my wonderful child is going out on a limb here, but I'm excited to do it and look forward to meeting you guys. Have a great day. See you in class.